Me, Ferdy. I am back, and if you guys don't know me, I'm a Facebook ads manager, digital marketing, whatever you want to call it, right? So we run ads, paid ads for clients and our small businesses as well. So this is a small case study. I'm going to show you how my approach on how to run ads for spas and like clinics and any like niches that are related to this type of business. So this client right here, we've managed to scale this from a service home service type business to a fully operational spa. So I'm very proud of this um, case study right here because I've been running their ads for more than 3 years now, and you guys can check the testimonials the testimonial in my page basically. So they have a spa now and they just started with the home service type uh, of business. So I'm going to share with you my strategy, my approach, and how we structure our campaigns. So you guys can check. This is the business. You can see this is their grand opening of the spa. Then there's the spa. So they just opened, I think, a few weeks ago. I'm very proud of them, and we've spent like 400K already on ads. I've been running their ads since 2021, and I've tested like hundreds and hundreds of creatives, offers, audiences. We've scaled, and yeah. So basically, I'm going to show you how we structure. So just a sample. This is how I run ads. I have a prospecting campaign, retargeting campaign, scaling campaign. Now I optimize it every 2 to 3 days, monitor it daily. It's like the basics, guys. You just wanna make sure you have the lowest cost per acquisition, lowest and high CTR, low cost of CPM, very basic, you know, stats that you need in order for you to scale. And then I test creatives, hooks, offers every 3 to 5 days, guys. Every other day. It really depends on, and each month the client like changes the offer so that it's fresh to the audience, and so that our campaigns won't get fatigue, right? We also leverage like video ads, photo ads, GIF ads, also like reels. We just test a bunch of those, and we would let Facebook optimize for each placement, and we just use basically automatic placement. So this is how I structure the campaign. So in a single campaign, the budget would be around 500 to 1,000 pesos. I found out that if your budget is a little low, it would be, of course, harder for you to optimize. Would need more time for Facebook to find the right audience for your campaign, since you're spending a lot less on the ads. And I would divide the campaign into three ad sets. First ad set would go for broad targeting, demographics, and then second ad set would be stacked interest, single, or any interest that is related to our niche. And then for the third one would be specific. It's like a campaign wherein I would create an offer for like teachers, right? So I would only be targeting teachers. Let's say Happy Teachers Day, or Happy Couples Day, or Happy Workers Day, or Happy Mother's Day. Those type of campaigns or promos or interest, and then we would just like bundle it up and then split into three different ads, so that Facebook would then optimize which color, which which caption is would do better, which type would it be, the photo or video, so it would automatically optimize for us. Then when I find the winner, I would then use that winner, create a new single campaign, and then we'll just scale it like to bigger ad budget. And then yeah, I would just like basically let the winners run, and I would kill, of course, the ones that don't give us results. And I would just like rinse and repeat. Same with the retargeting campaign. Same structure, 3 ad sets, and each ad set we have a bunch of ads testing, different angles, different offers, captions, colors, etc., video, and GIF photos. So for retargeting campaign, I do use page interactions. So all of the users that have interacted with the page within 30 to 180 days, video views, and message the page within 30 to 180 days. So I would just let this run, and after 3 to 5 days, see which audience would like get us a lot more traction and sales and conversions. So we would but sometimes I would just let this run, because a lot of and the stats would be, there are times that the stats are not good, but I know that since this is a retargeting campaign, it would really convert. So sometimes the ad cost would be a lot higher than the prospecting campaign, since we are targeting old audience. Um, it's the cost is like much higher than the first. I mean the prospecting campaign, but we do get some conversions also for retargeting, and I think it's very important that you do retargeting, because a lot of the people that just visits your page one time and then forgets about you, they would then remember that you guys exist and you guys are offering this type of new promo, so that would give you a higher chance of foot traffic, walk-ins, or book appointments. So this type of campaigns go hand in hand. So you need to have a retargeting campaign and a prospecting campaign. I would also exclude sometimes. I would also like create a prospecting campaign that would exclude people with this attributes, so that I would make sure that we will always target new audiences and have a consistent inflow of new set of eyes, right? So this is how I structure my campaign. For of course, for scaling, still like this, but sometimes my scaling would just be single campaign, single ad set, single ad. I would get the winners of whatever I find in here, and then I would just like duplicate that into a single campaign and increase budget within the campaign, or I would just duplicate each campaign with like, let's say I find 3 winners here, I would create those winners into standalone campaigns and would launch bigger budgets with those. Same with retargeting. So those are my strategies. Honestly, guys, there's not really like a perfect strategy or to structure your campaign for each businesses, because results and stats fluctuates and vary. It really depends on the product or service type business, and you really need to have data in order for you to know which are the winners and which type of strategy would work best for your business. So that's my job. Basically, I test multiple ads strategies and see which works for the business owner. All right, so let's actually go to the campaign I want to show you here. This is a just a scaled campaign for March, testing a new creative and very simple caption, guys. And then we have our creative here. So single creative, I found out that this was a winner, so I'm testing it with a bigger budget and see if it will work and with a new audience. So there you go. You can now see how we ran our campaigns. Also, one of the problems that we encountered was the client needed more staff, so we just launched a bunch of hiring campaigns as well. So these campaigns did very very well, and there you go. So those are of course given, like those are one of the problems that you're gonna face if you are scaling. You're gonna need to hire more, bigger budget, payroll. So you had to keep in mind. And there were even times that we had to stop our campaigns because they couldn't fulfill anymore. Basically, they were like fully booked throughout the week or month, and like especially if there are like huge promos that they would do. So yeah, here you go, guys. Very very easy to understand. If you have questions, please let me know. You can reach out to me on my Facebook page, Ferdy Risma. Go ahead and reach out to me. You can check all of my testimonials there. We run ads for any type of business: Facebook ads, Instagram ads, TikTok ads, Google ads. So go ahead and reach out or book a call, and we can help you fix your ads, launch and scale them, and optimize. So, other than that, guys, not much to say really. So, just keep in mind you need a prospecting ad, retargeting ad, scaling ad. You need to optimize and monitor every 2 to 3 days or daily. And you need to test creatives and offers and hooks and caption and audience every 3 to 5 days, guys. Don't be lazy. You can leverage AI for captions. We have Chat GPT, video ads, photo ads. So easy. You can use like Canva. But if you do want to like, what do you call this? Like, not just to focus on your business, and you wanna offload this work to us and just outsource it, please reach out. Don't hesitate. We can book a call and we can basically tell you what our process, how we go with our process. So